Hey guys, yeah, I'm going to shoot a short video here. I want to show you something I've been working on. Um, I'm not going to do a review of this today, but this is the Roxio VHS to DVD 3 Plus a video capture device for your computer. You can connect your VCR to it, and you can dub tapes, onto your computer, and or directly to a DVD. Excuse me, and well, I've been running into some problems. I just made a video. It's the last video I did about cleaning the VCR, and I I done a good job with it. I mean, I done the alcohol method of cleaning your own heads, and it cleaned the heads really good. The video comes out real good. Problem is I've been having some audio issues, and it's a strange effect I'm getting from it. It's like a beeping noise, and sometimes a thumping, thump 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 thump, just in the background of the video, and it only does it when I'm playing a VCR tape. And anyways, the it's been, it's just annoying. You can hear everything, in the video. It's just that constant beep thump noise. So I thought maybe it was something that, I wasn't cleaning well enough. So I decided to go online to Amazon, and I picked up this right here. This is called the Reshow VHS VCR, cleaner, head cleaner, dry head cleaner. And, I've always done my own head cleaning on these VCRs. And I mean, so I thought, since I was having a problem, I just, as a last resort, I bought one of these. Well, I mean, my luck has not been going well. I mean, these tapes are aging, they're pretty old, mid 90s. And, they're not getting any younger, and those tapes will deteriorate over time. And if you have them on hand, you have these old tapes, you might want to get them, put onto a DVD as soon as possible, because they will deteriorate. And but getting back to this head cleaner, it was only like $10 on Amazon, and they had some much more expensive ones, like Sony or other well-known brands. But since they don't make them no more, I guess they've been setting up in a warehouse somewhere, and they just somebody got their hands on them, and they're selling them on, eBay and Amazon. The manufacturer of these are still making them, this Reshow, and of course, I'm pretty sure it's Chinese made. But I'm gonna show you what it does. Okay, I'm here at my VCR, which is connected to my computer. I won't show a picture of what it's doing, but the problem I've been having with it, I'll show you. Uh, I mean, let's turn on the power here, and let's see. Okay, I put the head cleaner in. Now, mind you, it only does it with this head cleaner. This is not a noisy VCR. I haven't had any problems with, sound like the motor coming apart or anything like that. But I'll show you. It only does it with this head cleaner in here. I got a remote control here. Okay, that was at the end. And, there's about, probably the tape runs about 60 seconds or something like that. And that definitely wasn't 60 seconds. And there's a reason for that. Okay, I'm going to show you what it does when I try to rewind it. It's actually rewinding, but it'll rewind for a second. See, it starts making this cut off noise there. It usually won't rewind very far, and it'll stop. Now listen at it. I mean, sometimes it's even worse than that. Let me eject this and see how far it's gone. Rewound. Okay, as you can see, there is still tape left to be rewound. It rewinds to this end. This is the play end, and it just won't rewind. What I have to do, what I did try, was on the back of these VCR tapes, if you'll look down there at the bottom, there's a hole. You could take like a pin top, and you could push it in that hole and push down on this thing in there, and then you could take something and put it that will fit into these, and you can do a manual rewind. So that's what I did. I manually rewound it and put it back in there. I mean, I'm scared to run it too much because sometimes it literally sounds like the motor's trying to burn up or something. I mean, I know that there are people who give it a good rating on Amazon, but there's probably just as many people who's having issues just like I am. Um, so what I'm getting around to is you have the 50-50 chance of this thing working if you choose to buy it. Okay, but if you do choose to buy it, just realize you're taking a gamble, and we don't know what kind of damage it's doing to the VCR itself, and these things are hard to get your hands on nowadays unless you want to pay ridiculous prices for them on eBay or something. Now, I've seen some cheaper ones, but you're also taking a gamble. When you buy these things like that, you don't know if it's going to work. Um, I've heard about people going to Goodwill and picking up VCRs there. And if you get lucky, you can go in there and find one. And they have a TV there. You could test it out and see how it works and everything before you plunk down your money for it. And usually they're less than $10. But I mean, I got somebody who likes to go to Goodwill and look for antiques and stuff, and so they're gonna keep an eye open for me one and pick it up for me if they see one. And maybe if I try another VCR, that beeping noise, thumping noise that's in the audio playback will be just I mean, I have tapes that are pre-recorded movies, and I probably don't have one of those on me right here, but they they played back fine. They did still have that noise in the background, and I mean they all play back fine. Of course, some of these tapes are deteriorated and they don't look so good, and I'm just wanting to get as much as I can on the recorded, and then I can edit out the bad parts, and that's going to and I'm going to do a review on this as soon as I can get it to work. But this is this does some strange things when it runs into a bad part of the tape, and I'll explain that in the review of that. But there's other types of head cleaners, and I mean, I got a good video on here how to clean the heads, and it's a safe method. I describe the do's and don'ts, and some of you may have already seen it. Some of you have. If you haven't, I'm going to post a link to it. It'll pop up in the video somewhere. And and it's not hard to do, and it's a lot cheaper than buying that. And plus, there's less of a risk of getting something defective. But as we go along, I'll show you some more on all this stuff. You know, I do a lot of different types of videos. You know, I do open box videos, and product reviews, and um, just got a couple of vlog videos in my videos. I may one day add some more to that, but mostly I just I lean toward tech. That's kind of the thing that I'm into, and but I have other stuff too. So if you like a variety of stuff, you know, give me a subscribe, and and you know, if you got anything out of this video, if I saved you a few bucks there on taking a risk on this Reshow head cleaner here, give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. I appreciate it. And yeah, it's trying to storm outside. I mean, we've been going through a drought for a while, so it's welcome rain, but it's been kind of like trying to storm on us too. But I'll go for now, and thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching the video. God bless, and y'all have a good one. Bye bye.